So we will solve now example 2. On average, a computer part lasts for 10 years. The length of time the computer part lasts is exponentially distributed. So it means that the time between the failure of different part is a continuous random variable, and it can be modeled as an exponential distribution. So what is the probability that the computer part lasts more than 7 years? If you go back to your slide, I have mentioned in one of the slides that we can compute this probability directly. Okay, so I have mentioned here, when you want to find the probability of x greater than k, you can find it, instead of integrating every time, you can find it is equal to e to the power of minus lambda value times the value of the k, which is given in different problem. Okay, and when it is less than, you use 1 minus, and when it is between, you use this formula. Okay, so that we will do in example 2. So what is the probability that the computer part lasts for more than 7 years? You can integrate if you want, or you use the formula which I gave you, which is e to the power of minus lambda. In this case, lambda is 1 over 10. So on average, we have 10 years the computer part lasts. So lambda will be 1 over 10. Okay, 1 over the mean, which is given in this question. So the value of the probability is equal to e power minus 1 over 10 times the x value, which is, or the k value, which is equal to 7. Now question 2, if we know that on average one part lasts for 10 years, and if we have 5 computer parts and they are used one after another, so they are independent, so how long would 5 computer parts last? So since they are used one after another and they are independent, they are used one after another, so we can say that that on average 50 years it will take to last 5 computer parts. 50 times 5 computer parts times the average number of years computer can last. So 5 times 10, it is equal to 50. Now, as I told you before, that when you are asked to find the probability that the computer part lasts between 2 times, so between 9 and 11 years, you can integrate from 9 to 11, and you use the exponential function, and then you integrate it with respect to x, you are going to get that. Or you can use the formula which I gave you when you have to find the probability that your x is between k1 and k2. Let's say in this example, k1 is 9 and k2 is 11. So to compute this, you're going to get e to the power minus lambda. Lambda is 1 over 10. The value of k1, which is 9, minus e power minus lambda, which is 1 over 10, and the value of k2 in this case is 11. So you can use directly the formula which I have provided to you in the PowerPoint.